Hi all, Google Meet has launched its latest update, giving access to all the free users, providing user-friendly, data-safe video conferencing platform, benefiting the users with many more features. To open the app, click on Play Store and type in Google Meet. This is a very good app compared to other platforms. Install it and now install the app and wait for it to download 100%. Yes, it is done now. After installing, click on Open. The updated Google Meet is just like this. Press continue and allow the pop-ups. And you can also add your own account and create your own account, and just like this you will be getting audio and video options. So you can use speaker mode, phone mode, audio mode. Yes, cancel it. And you can use new meetings to create a new meeting, or you can use meeting code to join a meeting. Just like this. And also you can share this meeting ID or meeting URL with the others so that they can also join in our group. Finally, the most awaited update has come. You can add many participants into this group and make your video calling enjoyable.